Today, I'm going to show you how to create a transparent text effect in Canva, step by step. This effect is perfect if you want your text to blend smoothly with a background image, give your designs a modern look, or simply make your visuals stand out in a unique way. Stick with me because by the end, you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design. You can either create a brand new project or open an existing one that you want to edit. Next, click on the text you'd like to make transparent. Once you select it, you'll see a blue border appear around the text, showing that it's active and ready to edit. Now look at the toolbar that appears above your canvas. Here, you'll find the transparency icon. It usually looks like a little checkerboard or grid pattern. Click on that icon, and a slider will appear. This is where the magic happens. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the opacity of your text. The further left you go, the more transparent your text becomes. If you slide it all the way to 0, the text will be completely invisible. What's great here is you can fine-tune the effect. Play around with the slider until you find the perfect balance where your text is still readable but beautifully blended with the background. And that's it. You've just created a transparent text effect in Canva. It's quick, it's easy, and it can completely transform the look of your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to apply the effect to your next project and experiment with different backgrounds to really see how versatile it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.